Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fork in GitHub. So this is just a very quick and easy tutorial. I'm just going to be very straightforward, not going to explain anything else. And let's get started with the video. So first things first, you're going to head over to github.com and then you're going to make sure that you're logged in or already have signed up to an account. Now, as you can see here, I already have my very own fork. I have it this one. So basically what fork does is that it creates your own personal copy of a repository that is originally from someone else. So for example, I have this responsive portfolio website that I wanted to alter for myself. Like this is like a template that I got from GitHub. So in order for me to edit that template, I'm going to have to make a fork out of that repository. So in order for us to do it, you're going to look for the repository that you want to fork. So for example, I am going to look for a template or a website template that I want to edit so that the original file doesn't, you know, you cannot clone a repository from GitHub to your local desktop unless you fork it or like you make it or your own. So that is the importance of, doing fork. So now as you can see here, we have several templates that we can use. I'm going to just choose whatever I find. I'm going to choose this one, astrocytes. And then from there, you're just going to click on this fork right here, the fork button at the top of the screen. You're going to click on that and it will automatically just create a new fork for you, which is basically your very own version of someone else's repository. Now, what you're going to do is you're just going to enter a repository name right here. So just make sure that the name is available. And then from there, you're going to create fork. And now, one thing to take note of is that you cannot change the repository visibility of any fork that you do. So all forks that you do are set to public, so you cannot change that. And that's it. Forking a repository allows you to freely experiment with changes without affecting the original product, so you can do whatever you like with the fork that you have. Just make sure that you click on create fork right here so that you can start creating. And that's it. That is how you can create fork on GitHub. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you have more questions, you can comment them down below.